金翰在美国 Welcome to my channel The Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk is a famous and historic amusement park. It is located along the beach and has been in operation since 1907. Unfortunately, because it is a seasonal park, it was closed during my visit. I was still happy to see this unique park because I had never seen a theme park on the beach before. I believe it will be a wonderful visit sometime when it's open. Come to Santa Cruz. It's closed. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Welcome to Santa Cruz. Nobody here is closed today. Good shot. Blocked. Yellow player, shoot. Yellow player, shoot. Sweet shot. 哎呦，哎，你比我强哎。Yellow player, shoot. 哎，左边那颗，第3排第1个。啊，你输了。Welcome to Apple Park. Let's go. Apple Park is Apple's new headquarters in San Jose. Unfortunately, I was not able to enter because they only allow employees to access the campus. They did have a visitor center for guests. It was really interesting to see the building structure in the visitor center. I was able to attend a workshop demonstrating how to use iPhones to take quality pictures. That's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed my video. If you would like to say something to me, you can comment down below. You all know the drill. Henry in USA. See you next time. Bye.